Yes, nakikita natin na alam niyo naman si VP Inday, normally kalmado yan. And very formal, magsalita at contemplative. Bawat salita niya, pinag-iisipan. Or in the ordinary course of her speeches, nakikita mo nag-iisip siya. Either prepared yung speech niya o pinag-iisipan niya every word that comes out of her mouth. Pero dito, nakikita natin na alam na niya yung sasabihin niya, mabilis yung labas, pero masakit. Ma maangas at saka mayroon ngang mga language doon that kumbaga not safe for work. Hindi NSW. And hindi na niya sinusugarcoat. Inaano na niya, ginagawa na niya na kung kumbaga, calling a spade a spade. It is very clear that she was not going to pussyfoot or sugarcoat. She intended to say exactly what she wanted to